watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Neutral kitchens are a timeless choice that offer versatility, elegance, and a sense of calm. They easily blend with any style and can be effortlessly updated with new accessories or accents. Whether you prefer a modern, farmhouse, or a minimalist look, a neutral palette provides a perfect backdrop for your kitchen design. When designing a neutral kitchen, the style you choose will greatly influence the overall feel. Scandinavian and minimalist styles are popular for their clean lines and simplicity, but you can also opt for a farmhouse, modern, or eclectic look. Dove Gray Elegance. This kitchen features shaker and glass front cabinets, a tile backsplash, and white marble countertops with gold handles. Modern contrast. Light stained shaker-style cabinets paired with a white subway tile backsplash and white quartz countertops, accented by black fixtures. Farmhouse Charm. A stunning modern farmhouse kitchen with tan cabinets, a central island, printed tile backsplash, woven stools, and pendant lamps. Stylish Chevron. Flat panel and glass cabinets with a white chevron backsplash, black built-in shelves, and streamlined built-in appliances. Cozy Cottage. Tan shaker cabinets illuminated by cool lamps, a matching bedboard backsplash, completing the cozy look. Chic Seamlessness. Dove gray and light-colored plywood cabinets with white countertops and a white stacked tile backsplash, complemented by stainless steel appliances. Comfy Nook. A chic white kitchen with a comfy dining nook featuring banquet seating, wooden chairs, and an oval table. Elegant Shaker Style. Shaker-style cabinets with a white tile backsplash, marble countertops, built-in shelves, and glass front cabinets. L-shaped chic. A white L-shaped kitchen with stone countertops, a rounded kitchen island, tall brown stools, and a built-in dining table. Inviting meal space. A comfy nook with a built-in upholstered bench and a wooden dining set. Contemporary Galley. A white galley kitchen with a plywood ceiling, pendant lamps, wooden floor, and a blue tile backsplash. Contrasting design. A galley kitchen with metal cabinets, an arched window, a dining zone by the window, and greenery. Boho Galley. White cabinets with a boho rug, potted greenery, a gallery wall, and bright accents. Scandinavian Style. An L-shaped Scandinavian kitchen with butcher block countertops, open shelves, and wooden beams. Minimalist Warmth. A minimalist galley kitchen in white with light-colored wooden countertops, a wooden floor, and glazed walls for more light. Modern Country. Creamy shaker-style cabinets, a spacious kitchen island with storage, and gold pendant lamps for elegance. Bright Vintage. A window backsplash in a creamy vintage kitchen with shaker and glass cabinets, black quartz countertops, and elegant knobs and handles. Fresh and Delicate. White quartz countertops and open shelves in a creamy kitchen with inlay and glass cabinets, stained shelves, and a stain island. Functional Galley. A galley kitchen with white upper cabinets, stained lower cabinets, white stone countertops, and built-in appliances. Glamorous Farmhouse. A glamorous white farmhouse kitchen with a gray kitchen island, a dining area with a love seat, and blue chairs. We have 50 cozy and charming neutral kitchen inspirations that you might love, so stay tuned until the end. Neutral kitchens are the perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern functionality. By choosing the right style and incorporating various textures and finishes, you can create a space that is both beautiful and practical. Let these designs inspire you to transform your kitchen into a serene, inviting heart of your home.